Hey everybody, this is Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video today and show you what my main crafting area looks like when I'm in the middle of a project. So I was inspired to do this video after watching a video that Dolly from Gipsy Rose Paperie did earlier this month. And she did a tour of her craft room, and I'll put a link to that video below. And in the beginning of her video before the tour, she was talking, and one of the things that she said was, a messy craft room is part of the creative process. And I really loved that, and for me, that's absolutely true. So recently, I was finishing up a new journal, and I stopped during the embellishment process, and I looked around me at my craft area, and it was such a disaster. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to film this so I can show what my creative process looks like. So here it is. Stamps, fabric scraps, rotary cutter, scissors, glue, gesso, ribbons, so much stuff. And you know, I really like having all of this chaos around me and the bits and bobs, because when I'm embellishing, I find that it sparks my creativity. Here's the journal I was working on that this mess belongs to. And I know there's a paper pack under here somewhere, and more fabric scraps, and some beads, a heat tool, my iron, and more. So when I start a new project, I always clean my entire craft room first. So here's what my space looks like at the beginning of a project, and here is what it looks like in the middle. Creative process in action. So that's it. If you liked this video, and I hope you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. So see you next time. Bye.